Here's a custom Tri-5 at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1955 Chevrolet two-door Post. It is titled as a Bel Air two-door. Underneath the hood, 327 V8. That's out of a 1967 Corvette. 350 horse. We'll get into some of the engine build here in just a bit. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact, with a 2800 stall. Vintage AC that blows cold, heat blows hot. Look at the chrome and the bright work on the front of this one. Of course, that iconic hood ornament and Chevy emblem on the front of these Tri-5s. Yes, paint looks that good in person as it does in the videos and the pictures. Great shine to it. Saddle or tan interior, this bright red exterior. It's actually Viper red paint. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Polished weld wheels, BF Goodrich radials. And it's kind of got that drag car vibe to it. Good car to get in and drive on the street, though, no doubt about that. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See, these panels look awful nice and straight. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches in this paint. According to the previous owner, it was a frame-off restoration. No filler. Bent seat up front. Seat belts intact in the front. And again, that saddle color interior. Custom center console with that Hurst shifter. Some aftermarket gauges. Alpine stereo. We'll get around to that driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at that. That is straight. Paint has a nice shine to it, reflection of the wall behind me. Coming around to the rear, true dual exhaust. And that is coming out of a ram's horn exhaust manifold. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Chrome in the rear bumper, good. This car has a look to it, folks. No doubt about that. Speaking of those looks, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time, look at the underside. So how clean this is. You will notice in the still pictures that the side glass is tinted all the way around, albeit a light tint, but know your local and state laws depending on the percentage of window tint that you can have. All right, as far as the engine, I mentioned we're going to talk about that. It is a 350 horse, like I mentioned, out of a 67 Vet. It has 202 Camelback heads on it. And then again, the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Check out the still pictures. It looks great. Frame's powder coated if you look at the underside. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. You can see paint shows as well on this side as it did the passenger. Nice and straight panels. Again, no major nicks, dings, scratches. That bright work down the belt line looks good. If you like these Tri-5s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Sorry about the noise in the background there. They're raising a car on the hoist to get some underside pics. All right, door panels looking good. When we pop the hood in a bit too, before I start it up, I might as well tell you this, it does have MSD ignition. There is an aluminum radiator. I mentioned the vintage AC that does blow cold. We're going to look at that engine bay in just a bit. No rips, tears, holes in that vinyl bench seat. Stock looking dash. With the exception, of course, of the center console I mentioned earlier. Again, Alpine stereo system, that is working. Water temp, tachometer, and an oil pressure gauge. Appeared that the fuel gauge was working also. Let's fire this up. Again, 327, 350 horse. Half of that dash looking good. Gauges shifter in park, a little tougher. And oil pressure, looking good. Headliner, how about that? That looks good. That door closes nicely. Tell you what, this car sounds good. Like I said, it's kind of got that drag feel to it, but you can get in and drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I have a feeling this one's going to take home some trophies for its next owner. All right, let me pause this. I want to get this hood open real quick. We're going to check out that engine bay and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood, you can see the reflection of the engine in that. Look at that. And that's probably why. Some chrome and bright work there. Again, that aluminum radiator. Chrome alternator. Chrome air cleaner cover. Battery disconnect for when it's in between drives. There's the ram's horn exhaust manifold. Electric fan. It's a nice setup, good looking engine bay. Best of all, a smooth runner. So there you go, custom 1955 Chevrolet two-door post. Again, titled as a Bel Air two-door. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful bright red 1955 Chevrolet. That red carried through on the dash, center console, which is custom made for the automatic shifter, which is also a Hurst shifter. It holds some extra gauges and an Alpine stereo. Stereo sounds good. We're waiting for a little bit of traffic. The blower motor is blowing air, as it should. Comfortable bench seat in this car. Nice thump to the exhaust. You'll hear that once we get going. Our turn signals are both working. Headliner looking good. This car looks good inside and out. That bright red really pops on this car. Hear that lovely sound. Nice firm shift from the automatic transmission. It's good throttle response. As soon as I touch it, you can feel it want to go. Our speedometer's working. The temperature gauge in the dash is not. It thinks we're hot right now, which the car's hot, but it's not running hot. Down below we have a temperature gauge reading 185 as it should. And the tachometer from SuperTach. That's a vintage looking tach. Also working. Oil pressure showing 60 psi. And as I said, the blower motor is blowing some cool air. These cars are just right. Very comfortable. Good visibility. Not overly large, not too small. Just give them some extra power like this one has and have lots of fun. This car corners nicely. Does lean luxuriously in the corners, but that's fine. nice sound again. Check out all the pictures of this 55 Chevy at uniqueclassiccars.com.